every Filipino household has their own version of pork menudo. Let me show you mine. Let's start by sauteing garlic. Let's also saute our onions. So whenever I make pork menudo, I like to use pork shoulder. So this is our pork shoulder here that I've already cut up into bite-sized pieces. I've also marinated this stuff overnight with soy sauce and lime. If you have calamansi or lemon, if you want to use lemon, you can use either or. So marinated this stuff with lime, soy sauce, and black pepper. So now we can add this to our pot. So this is about 11 or 12 pounds of pork shoulder. The pork shoulders that I purchased had bones in it, so this time I didn't use the bones. I'll be saving those for when I make some soups. So let's go ahead and add some bay leaves here. A little bit more black pepper. Let's stir our pot, and then we'll cover this and we'll bring this to a boil, and we will let this simmer for a good 45-50 minutes. Alright, so as we are simmering our meat in this pot, let's go ahead and make room and move this on this side so we can work on our hot dogs, potatoes, and carrots. Let's go ahead and cook our hot dogs. Alright, our hot dog should be good here. Go ahead and brown our potatoes also. Alright, our potatoes should be good here. So let's go ahead and take these out, and then we'll do the same thing with our carrots. So let's do the same thing with our carrots. Alright, our carrots should also be good, so let's go ahead and take these out of the wok. So this has only been simmering for about 20 minutes. So we can add some of the ingredients, and then we'll give it a taste and see what we need to adjust. Let's go ahead and add our tomato paste. We'll add our diced tomatoes. Alright, let's go ahead and try our sauce here and see what we need to adjust. So usually when we make menudo, we like to add raisins. So I had gone to the store twice already thinking that we had the big box of raisins. So, you know, I've been looking all over our pantry and couldn't find the raisins. So this time I'm gonna skip on the raisins. So instead of the raisins, so we can sweeten our sauce, we'll just add a little bit of sugar. But before the sugar, let's go ahead and add some Knorr seasoning. A little bit of patis. So let's go ahead and give our sauce a try after we've added Knorr seasoning and patis. Okay, it can take a little bit more, but keep in mind, once we add our hot dog, the hot dogs are salty, so they will add a little bit of saltiness to the sauce. We can actually add our hot dogs also now. So aside from the hot dogs, usually if it was only me eating this menudo, I like to add some pork or beef liver. But you know, I'm preparing this because we have a gathering today, and a lot of people don't like liver, so I'm not adding liver this time. But if you guys like liver, you can add liver, okay? Alright, let's go ahead and put our lid back on and give this more time. Alright, as we are finishing up here before we add our vegetables, let's add a little bit of water and add our sugar. So we're adding a little bit of water because once we add the potatoes will suck up all the juice. Let's add our potatoes. carrots. We'll add a little bit of sugar. So we still have our bell peppers that we need to add, but let's give our potatoes and carrots a few minutes because the bell peppers don't really need a lot of time to cook. You see how there's so much sauce right now? In a few minutes, all that sauce will get sucked up by the potatoes. Alright, as we are finishing up, we can go ahead and add our bell peppers here. Alright, bell peppers. Alright, so that's basically how I make my pork menudo. So remember, we skipped on raisins and liver. So if you guys want to add raisins and liver, you guys can decide on that, okay? Let's get a piece of hot dog, a little bit of patis, and our hot pepper. The perfect bite. So good. Wow. Alright guys, let me go ahead and finish my lunch here, okay? You guys take care, okay? See you guys again next week. Bye-bye now.